Hi guys, today we're gonna be making some ice cream and these are ingredients. So right now we have some like I think it's called uh ripple brewers here's and that's gonna be our ice cream. So these are our toppings. So right now we have a Feastables bar, milk chocolate. We have some sprinkles and some chocolate and white milk chocolate chocolate chips. So yeah, let's start. So first we're gonna get our spoon and then we're gonna get all of this like ice cream and then we're gonna put a few spoonful a few spoonfuls. Okay, that's enough. So then now all we need to do is just like make sure that's in it like a circle. And then now we open our Feastables bar. Okay. And then you get one of these things. You just put one on top and then some on the sides. Then next you can put any of these. I'm gonna pick the blue one, this. And then now we just put it on. Not too much because we still have the chocolate chips. So that should be enough. And then lastly we have the sugar-free chocolate chips. Now we just put them on and then yeah, we're done. So also this is not sponsored by any of these. I just wanted to show you what my favorite ice cream is. We'll also use the Brayers Rocky Road to use it, but right now I wanted to use the butterscotch ripple. So bye. Next time.